Oh yeah, we talked a lot about basketball then.
Yeah.
But yeah,
shout out to Danny, man.
Thoughts on the finals, Darda. I know you don't play a lot of basketball or watch basketball.
Would you ever want to go watch the final?
I guess. It's not on my like to-do list or bucket list. Like basketball is not my sport.
Right.
The squeaky shoes actually annoy
It
me.
annoys you?
So it's like just spend that money.
That's such a random thing to be fucking annoyed about.
Yeah. No.
I could see ticket prices being an issue. Gameplay is not so fast, but
Like I've seen the heat,
squeaky
but
noises.
I'm just trying to think because it's like it's so fucking
funny.
loud in there. Like you could barely hear them.
No, you can hear it.
Yeah, depending on where you're sitting, you can hear them.
Oh,
squeaking.
courtside? You had a courtside?
Yeah,
Is that what you're
we
saying?
got it balling like that.
No. It's when the heat really sucks. So cheap.
Right. So that means there's nobody there.
Yeah.
All right.
Like I saw Chris Bosh play with he was like on the Raptors.
Right.
That's how long ago it was.
Right.
Oh,
and then
wow.
he went to the fucking Heat after that. So yeah, that was a long time
He
ago.
looks like a raptor, that month.
But like he had his like long hair.
Yeah.
So.
What kind of people look like dinosaurs, or who else looks like a dinosaur?
Dude, dinosaurs don't exist, dude. Are you religious? You should know.
Yeah, the devil, buried them under the ground.
Okay.
So for the long game.
So dinosaurs aren't real then?
You've never listened to all those like rich like prophets guys, like those like rich preachers guys?
No, that's actually
what they say.
that's actually a theory. Is that the devil came and buried all the dinosaur bones under the ground to trick us to find them.
You know what?
What the fuck?
and to find them and doubt like Christianity and it's all evolution.
That's crazy, dude. The other day I was watching, like I was just changing the channel, and then I think it was, I don't know, like a Saturday night or something like that. And I changed it, and it was like some guy, like some famous like preacher guy that I know. And then like I changed the channel literally like 30 seconds later, and they were talking about him, like how he's wasting all this money. He's so rich. And I was thinking like, yo, dude, I'm in the wrong fucking business, man.
Yeah.
Like I'm literally in the wrong business.
What, are you gonna
like,
start a church?
Maybe, dude. Maybe like those guys are living the life, you know.
Pastor
I think-
Misa.
I think
But at the same time, like it makes me feel bad because like I think like, you know, a lot of people are like, oh, they're not, you know, God did not send them, and you know, and I'm thinking like, well, look, maybe God did like call on them to be prophets, but they like misheard, and they're like, they thought he said make profit. And now there's just like there, like I don't know. I might be wrong. I don't know.
Right. I think you're onto something there. Though. So I don't know what it is you're on.
I'm not blaming anyone. That's all I'm saying.
I don't know where you're leading to, but you're going somewhere.
Anyways, we should get into that.
So, plus, I'm good. I'm being a
The
prophet.
Church of Chris and Misa.
Yeah.